Thank you. Our third presenter today is Saber Meamardoost. He comes to us from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering in the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. He will be telling us about building our own brain connectome. And on his free time, Saber likes to play soccer very much like I do. We'll have to see each other on the field one day.
Sure.
He watch movies and has a very long bucket list because he wants to visit locations where all his favorite movies have been filmed. Thank you for joining us today, Saber. And ready, set, pitch.
What if I told you this presentation is going to change your brain forever? How do you learn? Why some people learn faster than others? When I was a kid, I was so passionate about soccer. I wanted to learn soccer and play better than my older brother, but it never happened. I grew up with this question in my mind. How could I properly learn soccer? Over time, I came to know that the brain is responsible for learning any skill. Brain is the least understood organ, and it's more sophisticated than any supercomputer on Earth. Your brain contains over 100 billion cells. To put this huge number in the context, this is equal to the total number of hairs on the heads of people in Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, and Yonkers, all combined. Unlike many of us, brain cells are very good at communication and teamwork. In fact, they never act alone. Rather, the connections between them are where the information and memories are stored. Your memories, the information that makes you, you, and perhaps other aspects of your personal identity, such as your personality and your intellect, are all encoded in the connections between your brain cells. Every time you experience something new, learn a new fact or a new skill, your brain rewires. This is a mysterious mechanism that enables us to learn new skills, to memorize new information, or to forget old ones. To figure out how our brain learns, we need to understand the fundamentals of brain rewiring. But first, we need to find the connections. But how? Imagine you're in a packed Bills stadium on a match day. Cheers from the fans are echoing all around. I ask you to record the crowd noise for a few minutes. Now, can you tell me who is talking to whom in the crowd? This is exactly what I do in my research. I develop computational algorithms to find connections between brain cells, or the fans, from brain activity, or the crowd noise. Our studies on mice have given novel insights about the relationship between brain rewiring and learning. My research can shed light on the principles of memory formation and learning. One day, we may be able to build an artificial brain, a super powerful computer just like our brain. In my research, I often find myself seeking answers to the basic questions I had about learning since my childhood. But as a grown-up, I have learned a bigger lesson from my work. Remember, you and your ever-changing brain are constantly being shaped by the world around you. So make sure to only let the positivities of the world rewire your brain. Thank you very much.